Hi, I'm Peter Gray.
And I'm Shanae Lettigan.
And we're the Principal Legal Directors of Enterprise Legal. There's been significant disruption to the business and property sectors as a result of the current coronavirus pandemic. But we're here today to reassure our clients, both old and new, that Enterprise Legal remains ready and willing to assist them to navigate these uncharted waters of conducting business during a pandemic.
Enterprise Legal will be moving to an exclusive working from home model as of today, but don't worry, our team remains contactable during the normal working hours, Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. via the normal channels, which is our office phone numbers, our mobile numbers, and or our emails.
But Shanae, what if I'm a business owner who doesn't have any money at the moment to get legal advice?
Peter, you would be probably every small to medium business at this point in time. Look, we certainly understand that the majority of businesses face significant pressures, and the biggest one probably at this point in time is financial pressures. That's why it's our goal at Enterprise Legal to assist wherever we can, and to play our part, we've decided to put together a number of free legal resources available for your use and download online to roll out as you see fit.
So let's talk about what resources are actually available. We already have some of these up on our website, and we will be putting a lot more of them up by the end of the week. So the things that we will be putting up there for everyone to use is a coronavirus policy, which is a little bit redundant now that we're all working from home, but there's still some relevant stuff in there, particularly when we start looking at people coming back into their workplaces. There's a generic advice for employers, explaining some of the differences around standing down employees, making them redundant, and the financial implications of that. What can seem like an easy decision is actually more complex if you think of the ongoing liabilities and relevant factors to that. So we've put together some advice that most people will be able to understand and apply to their own businesses. So that will be up there. We've also got a template letter for employers to use for when they need to stand down their employees. That is also on there for people to download and fill in with the details of their own employees. And the big one that we're putting on this week is template documents around negotiating and documenting in a legally binding way the lease deals that the government wants landlords and tenants to enter into. It's going to be a template deed of variation, which landlords and tenants can use to document whatever agreements they do come to in terms of rent reductions, in exchange for extending lease terms, maybe changing security. There's a lot of options around that. I'll also be including a commentary around here are some options for landlords and tenants to consider might work for them in their circumstances. And I'll also be explaining why it's really important to put those deals in writing, and not just think that because we're in a bit of a state of upheaval at the moment that it doesn't matter and we'll just do it on the fly. It is very important for those arrangements to be documented.
Excellent, Pete. That sounds all very helpful and useful as a small business owner myself. Can you please tell me, if I'm a small to medium business, how do I actually access these documents?
Yes, so like we said, they're going to be on our website, but obviously there's going to be updates and new documents getting rolled out as this pandemic continues. So what we would really encourage people to do is sign up to our mailing list. So you can do that by sending us an email at admin@enterpriselegal.com.au or filling out an online form on our website. We would also encourage everyone to follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn handles because we will be sharing content as it becomes available on there.
Yes, and part of that content will be videos like this, and we promise to get better as time goes by.
Yes. And if you have more questions that you would like us to answer, if you equally can email them to us via any of those social pages or just by sending us an email, and we will try and answer those in future videos.
Absolutely. Look, during these times, we encourage all business owners to be proactive, gather as much information as that's available out there, certainly draw on every resource that you've got to be providing this information, send us those questions. It's certainly our goal here at EL to assist as many local businesses as possible so that we can all successfully move through this next period in the best way possible.
We are built for business at Enterprise Legal, so if there's anything we can do to assist your business, please reach out and talk to us. It's very important to stay connected to your own professional advisors during this time. Be in contact with your accountant, your financial planners, your solicitors, or be in contact with new professional advisors in that space if that's equally what you need to do, and we can all get through this together.
Thanks, guys. Stay well and stay safe.